How to watch USA Network on Roku. Activation process. Download the app, go to the Roku channel store, search for the USA Network app, and install it on your Roku device. Get the activation code, open the app on Roku, and an activation code will appear on your screen. Activate via a browser. On a computer or mobile browser, visit usanetwork.com/activate10bcu/Roku, enter the code, and follow the instructions to link your cable or satellite provider account. If you don't have a cable subscription, you can still access USA Network through streaming services that offer it. Sling TV is one option, though it requires a monthly subscription. Peacock also includes USA Network and sometimes offers free trials, but availability may differ based on your location. Ensure you check content availability before committing to a service. That's it. Thanks for watching.